Morning everyone, and it's a nice morning. Every morning you're out fishing is a nice morning. Kiwi fly fisherman here. Great to be out. Got the fly rod. Left Christchurch early this morning, 4:30, and we got to the river now. It's about 6 o'clock. My mate Steve's already on the river. I haven't fished this stretch of the river in quite a while actually. So good to be out nice and early in the morning. Sun hasn't even broken over the hills yet. So I think we'll put a nice big dry fly on with a nymph. Start exploring some of this river, guys. Good morning, sunshine. Gotta get used to the rhythm of the river. Can't spot my dry yet. Oh yeah, it's a good ride on the dry. Whoops. So good to be out, guys. Got a fish on, guys. Right, where are you, fishy? Oh. He's not happy, is he? So where are we going to try and take you out, fish? Probably have to take him out down there. Guys, it's a nice brownie. Yeah. Lovely brownie. Come on, net. Probably release this guy, guys. Hope you can see him. Hey, there we go, fish number one. Nice and early in the morrow. It's quite a beauty. So that's a brown trout. Oh, I'd put him at maybe... Oh, wowzers, did he take the dry fly too, of all things? I thought he took the nymph. Incredible, guys, he's taken the dry. Alright, let's get Dr. Slick to sort him out. Yeah, he took the dry fly. Stimulated dry. There's a lovely brown trout, probably about 1.5 pounds or so. Hey, look at that. You ready for release, fish? And he's gone. Wow, that was fun. Yeah, nice casting. Right, guys, a nice run up here. Yeah, she's a little bit dirty. Fast flowing too. Bit of water coming up. Shorten up the game, guys. Wind's ripping. Let's shorten up the game. Waiting for a bit of the lull in the wind, guys. You can see the location of the fish about 10-15 meters ahead of me, and it's a bit breezy, so it turned out to be a fair bit of a wait. Just got to be patient in these situations, and wait for your break, and when the lull comes, then you go for it, mate. On, guys, fish on. So patience paying off, and yeah, eventually managed to get a cast over this fish. The dry fly landed about a foot ahead of the fish. It made a slight move towards it. Then it grabbed the nymph that came in behind the dry. Big commotion when it grabbed the nymph, because in shallow water it took off, and here it is splashing around. It's had a couple breaks already, a couple runs. Had to get my line management sorted out, but here he's kind of holding me nicely. He's taken me down river already about 40 to 50 meters. Thankfully there's no real rapids or anything here, so kind of a nice place to play the fish and to just let it tire itself out. Yeah, he's fighting all along. Did a few more runs and managed to get him out probably about 80 meters, 100 meters down from where I originally hooked him. My mate Steve saw the commotion and he came over and gave me a hand, got the net out. The netting proved to be kind of interesting, and we'll see that in a minute, in a sec. Come on, fish. Mate. Big trout. Big brownie. Come on, brownie. Gee, man. It's a good battle, yeah. Doesn't like you. Watch out! Watch out! Grab him by the tail! Oh, I don't believe it! Oh! Heck fire! Thank you for that! Come on. Oh, mate. So there we go, guys. It's a beautiful brown trout. I put him at about 4 pounds. What do you think, Steve? Maybe 4.5. Bunny! He's lying here. He hasn't been dead for too long. What got the better of him? Steve's just got a small fish down there. Yeah, go Steve. Persistence with his blowfly. Steve's got a fish on. Gee, that thing looks quite silver. You're gonna keep him? He'll come off if you... Yep, I'll get him. Woohoo! He doesn't like that. Okay, settle down. Yeah. Lovely colour to him, that one, eh? Hold him up for the photograph. Okay. Yay, mate. Alright guys, let's put this one on the Toby, so we'll release him now. It's a nice little brownie. He's probably about 2.5 pounds. Woohoo! It's been a great day out here, close to Hanmer Springs. Man's a bit buggered, been on the river the whole day from early start, but this is what happens. We've got a lovely fish to take home for the smoker. Thanks again for joining us, everybody. Kiwi fly fishermen signing out to that beautiful view, man. Check it out. Woohoo!